what's up? I'm Amira and thanks for tuning in. This is actually dumpsterdiving.life, where we not only turn trash into treasure, but we create dope ideas on a dime. Today I'm making a Pinterest-inspired boho plant hanger out of driftwood, so stay tuned to see how I transformed this wall into this. So I'm just out for a walk and I actually just found this piece of driftwood, and I think this one's a little bigger than the one that I already had in my trunk. So I'm thinking this is actually like the perfect piece to put over my couch. You're going to need your choice of battery operated string lights off Amazon. I thought they were kind of cute. You're going to need some macrame plant hangers along with some plants and anything else you might want to hang. Some twine to decorate to help hang it, a couple hooks for the ceiling, a couple hooks for the wood, and then I'm going to use a couple pieces of chain to actually hang it to the ceiling. So this is where I'm at today. Honestly, I'm so tired and I'm cranky. I'm annoyed that the macrame, it's like the same length. So I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Afternoon, it's like 2 p.m. But when you're in quarantine, time just doesn't seem to be a thing at all. So it's 2 o'clock. Actually went to the dollar store and I got a couple more of these little baskets, literally $1 each. Got a couple of baskets and I got a couple of little pots that I can put some holes in and just kind of hang from the top. Because I just feel like the macrame is the same length. I made the mistake, I should have measured it before I bought it because I didn't realize how long they were. I'll show you the vibe outside too, because it looks like it's gonna rain. So I have like this lantern and this lantern too that I could bring in. These are all my plants. It's gonna start storming. So I'm just gonna put some like low-key jazz music on. I wish I had a glass of red. I'd pour myself a glass of red. I know it is 3 p.m. Like I said, there's no rules or time in quarantine.
Playlist Rainy Day Jazz.
I like where all the plants are, or the pots I should say. The plants aren't in there yet. The twine. I took the chain down because I didn't know if I should do the chain or if I should like braid some like macrame. I think it looks good. Can't wait to see how it looks with the plants in it. I'm gonna skip straight to the end. I'm gonna go ahead and put the plants in it. So without looking, without peeking, are you guys ready to see how this turned out? You guys ready? Woo! I left it simple. I didn't add any of the chains or anything. It's literally just twine and the lights. And I think simple is better when it comes to this. Like today's DIY project. If you did, if you could just give it a little thumbs up and help out a young YouTuber. I think it looks really cute. Kind of the perfect thing that I needed to put above the couch. If you guys wanted to subscribe, I'm actually going to our family lake house in Montana for the next undetermined amount of time. It's this quarantine to kind of just change up the scenery a little bit. But I do have some really cool projects planned. I have some macrame projects, cross stitch projects, even an embroidery project, and probably a follow me around video as well. If you guys wanted to come to Montana with me. I actually have to go because I am going to be late to my virtual happy hour, quarantine style, you know. So anyways, like I always say, guys, love hard, be a light, and always have a little faith in your future. Stay well, guys, stay grateful, and take care of yourselves during these crazy times. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.